Hey everyone! Awesome Disney Toys here, and we're bringing you the Play-Doh Twirl Top Pizza Shop playset. As you can see, that's the front of the box, and this is the back of the box. Today we'll be making a delicious pizza. So let's begin by opening up the box. So the first thing we see is the oven and pizza toppings. Inside the oven, you'll find that they provide us with a spatula and a pizza cutter. We also get 4 Play-Dohs to work with: brown, green, red, and yellow. They also provide us with a pizza pan. Ooh, and we get a cheese grater as well. And this is the cheese grater handle. Alright, so let's begin by assembling the playset. All you have to do is attach the side of the pizza oven to the side of the cheese grater. Just like this. Pretty simple, right? Next, let's get the pizza pan and place it onto the cheese grater. Finally, let's get the cheese grater handle and place it on top of the cheese grater. If you twirl it around, you'll notice that the pan twirls as well. Are you guys ready to make a delicious pizza? Alright, let's begin by using the brown Play-Doh to make our dough. Be sure to take out as much Play-Doh as you like. Once you do that, begin to mold your Play-Doh into the shape of a ball. And then proceed to flatten it out to look like the shape of a pizza. Once you have the shape that you like, get your pizza pan and place your Play-Doh on top of the pan. Now, let's place the dough inside the oven. Once you do that, make sure you bring the handle down and the handle back up, and you have yourselves a nice looking crust. Be sure to take off any unnecessary Play-Doh off the edges so that it looks like a pizza crust. Doesn't that look delicious? Alright, so there's no pizza without pizza sauce, so let's begin by using the red Play-Doh and creating the pizza sauce. Now, we want the pizza sauce to be the same shape as the pizza crust, so begin to flatten it out. And once you have the shape that you like, grab the pizza pan and place your sauce on top of the crust. Like this. The pizza already looks so good. Alright, and now there's no pizza without cheese. So let's get the white Play-Doh and take out as much white Play-Doh as you like. This will be our mozzarella cheese. Mold it into a shape so that you can place it into the cheese grater. And place your cheese grater handle back onto your cheese grater. Twirl the handle and you'll see delicious pieces of mozzarella shreds coming out of the cheese grater. Doesn't this make you want to eat a pizza? Get your cheese all around the edges, and we have ourselves a cheese pizza. Yum! Alright, so now let's begin by adding toppings to our pizza. We'll use the green Play-Doh and use broccoli as our first ingredient. Flatten out your Play-Doh and place it on top of the topping of your choice. So for us, we'll be using broccoli. Once you have it nicely in there, take it out and you'll find that you have yourself a perfect looking broccoli. Doesn't this green broccoli look really good? Place it on top of your pizza and we have ourselves a broccoli pizza. Now, let's use the green Play-Doh again and spice up our pizza by adding a jalapeno. Once you have your jalapeno, place it on top of your pizza. Now we have a spicy broccoli pizza. And for our last topping, we'll use the red Play-Doh and place it on top of the mushroom. Make sure you flatten it out. And once you take off the edges, you'll see that we have a bright red mushroom to eat. Yum! Place it on top of your pizza and we have a spicy broccoli mushroom pizza. Doesn't that look delicious? Now it's time to share it with our friends. Let's begin by using the pizza cutter and cutting it into fours. Whoops, there goes our mushroom. Uh-oh, our jalapeno's gone too, but no worries. So we'll place it back onto our pizza, and it's back to normal. But this time we'll share our cheese slice pizza with you guys. That's the Play-Doh Twirl and Top Pizza Shop playset. It's super fun and very easy to use. Become your own chef by using all 12 toppings in the 4 colors that's provided in this playset and let your imagination run free. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you!